camera opens high above a vast mining landscape, where years of excavation have left behind a rugged, uneven terrain. Today, this site is not just being worked on, it is being reborn. At the center of this transformation are two Caterpillar D9T bulldozers, powerful machines designed for extreme earth-moving operations. The Caterpillar D9T is one of the most trusted heavy dozers in the mining and construction industry. Powered by a high-performance diesel engine, it delivers exceptional torque and pushing force, allowing it to move massive volumes of soil, rock, and overburden with controlled precision. Built for durability and endurance, this machine is engineered to perform in some of the toughest environments on Earth. In this operation, both bulldozers are working in coordination, guided by experienced operators who understand every movement of the terrain. One machine focuses on pushing and leveling the loose overburden, while the second begins shaping a new access ramp that will allow trucks and equipment to move safely through the site. The reclamation of an old mine is a complex engineering task. It is not just about moving dirt, it is about restoring stability, reshaping landforms, and preparing the ground for future use. Every pass of the blade changes the structure of the site, and precision is critical to ensure long-term safety and functionality. As the first CAT D9T advances, its massive blade cuts through the ground with controlled force. The steel tracks grip the surface firmly, allowing the machine to maintain stability even under heavy load. Each push is calculated, each movement deliberate. This is not speed work, this is controlled power in action. Meanwhile, the second bulldozer begins carving a gradual incline. This ramp is essential for future operations, allowing heavy dump trucks and loaders to access different levels of the mine. The operator carefully adjusts the blade angle, ensuring the slope remains even and structurally sound. From above, the coordination between both machines becomes even more impressive. Dust rises as the earth is reshaped layer by layer. The terrain slowly transforms from an abandoned mining pit into a structured, usable worksite. This is large-scale earth-moving at its finest. The Caterpillar D9T is equipped with advanced hydraulic systems that allow smooth blade control even under extreme pressure. This makes it ideal for heavy-duty applications like land clearing, site preparation, and mining reclamation projects like this one. As the operation continues, the teamwork between machines becomes the key factor in productivity. In modern mining, efficiency is not just about machine power, it's about synchronization, planning, and operator expertise. Each pass brings visible change. Uneven ground becomes level, harsh slopes become structured ramps. What once looked like an abandoned site is now turning into a carefully engineered landscape ready for future development. This is the true power of heavy equipment. Not just destruction, but reconstruction. Not just digging, but rebuilding. And in this case, two Caterpillar D9T bulldozers are leading that transformation with strength, precision, and reliability. As the sun moves across the site, machines continue their work without pause. Day after day, layer after layer, the mine is being reclaimed and reshaped into something new. And this is only one example of what modern heavy machinery can achieve when skilled operators and powerful equipment come together on large-scale projects.